Welcome to Little Joy Yarns. Today we're going to learn how to create the magic circle. The materials that we'll be using today, I'm using 5mm crochet hook and I'm using some Bravo worsted weight yarn. This is some great $2 affordable yarn, perfect for beginners that don't want to spend too much. All that information will be down in the description box below. What's great about the magic circle, or aka magic ring, like here when you're working in and around, you have enough space to crochet into, because that can be a big problem. And once you're done with that round, you can take the tail and just close off the center of your work. And I'll be teaching you 2 ways how to create this magic circle. So let's watch what happens next. The first one, you just take your working yarn, your tail is on your right hand side. We're going to take our wrist and turn it out and in. Ready? Your right hand out and in to create a loop. One more time. Out and in to create a loop. Just like this, your tail is on your right side and your working yarn is on your left side. Your working yarn is over top of your tail. So what we're going to do right now, I want to take your left hand and I want you to put it in your normal crochet position. Everybody's is different. And with your other fingers, I want you to pinch at that X right here. Once you have your hand in that position, we're going to pick up our crochet hook. And you're just going to pick up a stitch like you usually would. Yarn over and pull through. Now that you got that, keep this finger pinched just like this. You might not see the ring, but if your hand is on that X, this will be the ring that we're going through. But we're not done. Just chain. That would be the first chain of your row. So here is your circle. So all you have to do is work back into this circle for single crochets or double crochets or whatever you're using. And that is how you create the magic ring. And once you make it to the end, you can just pull any of your stitches for tightening. All right, let me show you how to use your fingers. Now I'm going to teach you my favorite way to create a magic ring by using your fingers. You're going to take your left hand and use your 2 fingers, your middle and pointer finger, and face them to the right side. Now take your tail facing towards the ground. Now use your thumb and pinch your tail, just like so. We're going to begin to wrap the yarn around your fingers. That first wrap is going to be towards your nail. So that's the top. That second wrap, we're going to catch underneath with your thumb and wrap towards the bottom, towards your knuckles. This is what it looks like so far. You see your 2 fingers over here? I want you to use these 2 fingers and catch the yarn. So here's my hand. I'm catching the bottom. And I'm catching the yarn on the side. Take your crochet hook, put it under the first loop, and catch the yarn and pull through. Now we're going to do the first chain of the round. Remember this yarn right here? We're going to yarn over and pull through to do your first chain of your round. Now pinch and slip your fingers, and here's your loop. Your magic ring. Now you can continue your round as normal with single crochets or double crochets or whatever you need it. And like I said, once you're done with that, well, it's going too fast, you're able to pull that tail and close it shut. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please check out my other stitch tutorials and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.